Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Today we are continuing with my Halloween series, Hallo-week. Today is day number 2, wreath number 2, using that green foam wreath form from the Dollar Tree. Say that 10 times fast. Green foam, green form. Wait, how did I... Who cares? Let's just get to day 2 of Hallow-week. Let's get started with day number 2. Again, I have the green wreath form from the Dollar Tree that I'm using today. And if you've seen these fabric squares from the Dollar Tree, they are so colorful, so Halloweeny. They're from Crafter's Square, and I have 3 different patterns. I'm also going to use a pair of scissors today to make this wreath. All I'm going to do is open up that square of fabric, and I'm going to start off with the orange and black cat one. And I'm just going to try to even it out as much as possible. I'm going to refold it and kind of make sure it's a little bit more even than it was when it was first packaged. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to randomly cut a width of that fabric. So I try folding it one more time to see if it's a little bit easier, but my scissors were having trouble, so I decide to unroll it and then cut it again. And the aim here is to cut maybe about 1.5 inches. Now these strips are about 18 inches long to about 1.5 inches. Now they vary in size because I didn't measure it. I just kind of eyeballed it. But if you want to measure it, you go for it. So I finished off with my 3 fabrics and I have all my strips ready to go. And now we're going to tie it onto our wreath form. I'm going to fold it in half, creating a loop. Place the loop on the outside. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those little tails, make sure the good sides are facing inward. And then I'm going to feed them through that loop, kind of creating a knot, and then I'm just going to pull. And then that's going to attach our fabric strips onto our wreath form. And there you can see I've got my nice fabric on there. And then I'm just going to do the exact same for the next fabric. I'm going to fold it in half, creating a loop on one end, feed the loop through on the outside, bring those tails on the inside, making sure the good side of the fabric is always facing up, feed that fabric through the loop, and then I'm going to give it a nice good pull and create a knot at the very end, attaching it to the wreath. And I'm going to choose my other fabric and add that on, and I'm going to go back and forth with the fabrics. Of course, you can use 1 fabric, 2 fabrics, 3 fabrics, 4 fabrics, as many fabrics or as little as fabrics as you want. And it doesn't have to be a Halloween theme either. You can choose any fabric and do the same method to create your little wreath. And here I am finishing up tying my pieces of fabric, and I just love how this turned out. I am so happy with this color, the colors of the fabric, how it turned out, and everything. And if you want to hang it, all you have to do is take a spare piece of the fabric. I created a little knot on one end, and that just kind of ties or hides your tie into the fabric. And then you can just hang your wreath on your door, on your window, or wherever you want it to go. What do you guys think of this wreath? I just love it. I think my favorite fabric is the cat fabric. But then again, I love that candy corn fabric too. Let me know in the comments below, which is your favorite. Thank you so much for joining me again today for our Hallow-week series. Don't forget to come back tomorrow and see what wreath we created. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much again. Take care. Bye for now.